Say it again. Joe, hey guys, what are we doing?
We're doing a Nerf War!
Be quiet, Jay.
Hannah, that's your gun?
Yeah, this is my gun, guys. Josh, which gun are you getting? I would get that gun or that gun. Way to go. Way to go.
So where's all
it's
the
over
Nerf
there.
darts?
I don't know. You're the one. Do not aim that at me. Alright, guys, looking for bullets. Can't find them.
I love Pokemon Go. YouTube.
Found a bullet.
Ow.
Hello, bullets. Don't look like it in there. Okay. Alright, guys.
Thank you.
Ah, I found what? That's mine. What? Shh.
Yes! Yes, yes!
No, this is mine. No, mine. Ugh.
It's
Fine,
mine.
we'll share. We'll share. Alright, we found the bullets and yeah.
Lot of bullets. Actually, Hannah,
Hang on, wait. Where's my gun?
you lost it.
Where's my gun?
You can have this bullet.
Where's my gun?
I don't go.
Guys, this is not fair. I've only got one and he has got like 9. How is that fair? Tell me how that is fair. Alright, I'm going to demonstrate and see if this works. Let's demonstrate if this works.
Hannah, you can have.
Ah! Damn it, what was that?
You can have the shotgun. You can have the shotgun.
Damn it, I didn't. Damn it.
You can have the shotgun.
Ugh.
Hey, do you want the shotgun?
What? Alright, change of plans, guys. I'm going to get the 2 bullet. Ah! Ouch. Alright. Look at this one. Oh, look at that baby. Let's test this thing out.
Pokemon Go.
I don't even think that this is going to work. But
You have to. Okay, I'll demonstrate what to use. What? That isn't gonna work.
he's demonstrating.
And then you fire.
Ooh. Alright, guys.
push
See you
that
next time in part 2. Bye.